Hello everybody, welcome to Autotrade-hub. Today we are going to look into one of our clients' account performance which has given absolutely awesome results. Let's jump into the MQL5 dashboard. You can see here this is a real account of XNS and currently you can see the return is showing 622%. Current initial deposit is $1,000. Currently equity is 2,952. Profit is $3,000. You can see here the algo trading is showing 99%. It means that this client has used our algo trading software, and through that software this client has made such returns. And you can see the maximum drawdown which mostly client focus on, that is 19.5%. This is not a very high drawdown, so this is very risk-free software. Profit rates is 74.5%, loss rates 25.5%, means the accuracy of this software is 74.5%. You can see the currently trades are open, approximately 5 trades are open, and floating is only $4. And you can see the growth chart here, and this client has started in the month of January 2023. In 2023, this client made 553.29% year to date, and in 2024 10.59% year to date. Balance and withdrawal and deposit chart. This client started $1,000 and taken the whole his principal amount withdrawal, and now he is trading only with his profit amount. This is the equity to equity and drawdown percentage. You can see this is a very less drawdown percent. This is the trading history. You can see the not much higher lot size has been taken. No much higher lot size. Statistics. Only mostly AUDUSD, EURUSD, GBP CHF and Euro CHF trades have been taken. Not much risks. Absolutely risk-free algo trading software. If you wanted to know more about this software, you can visit our website. I am going to mention in the description. And if you are having any kind of questions on this software, you can put down in the comment section below. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you think you have got some profitable information from this video, I would suggest please share it with your friends, colleagues and family members so that they can also take the benefit from this algo trading software. This much for today's friends. Thank you so much.